Performance pulsation, or PPC, we have a number of competitors. The interesting thing about it is the unique combination of things that we offer that most of our competitors don't. We can do what's referred to in the industry as API 674 acoustic modeling. This is basically where we take the customer's piping, the equipment, the pulsation equipment, and we set it up in a computer model to provide a prediction of the performance of the system. This gives a higher level of insurance to our customers that allows them a greater degree of assurance that the outcome that we're suggesting, or the outcome that the model suggests, will be beneficial and ultimately produce what is needed for their installation. We're equipped to handle the mundane or the regular to the special, unique, or challenging services, even to the point of certain services that are hazardous. So our company is uniquely equipped to provide a full spectrum of products and services, whether it's gas charged or maintenance free, the field analysis, troubleshooting work, or the API acoustic modeling. We are the best company in the world.